What's up guys, Major here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can update your iPhone 7 to the latest software update, which is iOS 15.6. You can see I am running 15.3, and by the end of this video this phone will be at 15.6, which is the latest iOS, right? Which is the latest stable iOS for iPhone 7. So stay tuned and do not forget to also like this video and subscribe to the channel, because this video took me a long time to make, and I really appreciate it if you can subscribe and like the video. So you have to make sure that your phone is plugged in for this to work. To be on the safe side, you have to make sure that it's plugged in. So at this point I actually got bored of waiting for it to download, so I went to read about the software update. So that's it. Once the update is done downloading, you have to install the update, and when you click on install, it will verify the update, and then your phone will trip off to install the update. Your phone will switch off to install the update. Also, you have to note that at this particular point your phone will have to restart, or it will reboot itself halfway through the installation. So once the phone reboots itself, it is totally normal, so you allow it to do the necessary installations. So this is the first stage of installation. I actually became bored, so I decided to admire the phone once more. This is a masterpiece from 2016, and it is funny how it still holds up in 2022. By 6 years after release, it's still holding up. Wow. So the phone is restarting for the second time, so you have to give it time. Once it shows you a dark screen, do not panic, just leave it like that. It will automatically pick up and continue from where it stopped. Finally, once the phone is ready, the update has been installed. You enter your passcode to open the phone, and once you enter the passcode, you'll be greeted with software update complete if it is successful. If it is not, it will show you otherwise, but in this case mine was successful, and you can see welcome to iPhone. So that's basically how you update the status of your this is basically how you upload your iOS, your iPhone 7 to iOS 15.6. Thank you for watching this video. subscribe, and I'll see you guys in next video. Peace.